Alright guys, welcome back again to my channel. Please like this video and share it to your friends, okay? I want to teach you guys on how to know if you are eligible to receive your Hamster Kombat coin, okay? As they have told us that very soon they will start to distribute the coins, our earnings, okay? So if you want to check if you are eligible, if you are one of the people that will receive their earnings from Hamster Kombat, once you open your Hamster Kombat, as you all know that since yesterday being 20th September, that the Hamster Kombat has been changed to this mode, okay? So this is the second season, okay? So if you want to check if you're eligible, once you open it, tap on this place that you are seeing airdrop. Tap here. So as you can see, my own is showing season 1 is over, okay? So if you're not eligible, what you see is the icon of cheating, okay? Let me show you an example. I saved it on my phone, okay? So if you are cheating, you will see something like this. You see something like this. Something like this, okay? So the meaning is that maybe you use one way or the other to receive your own coin, or to do, or maybe you use the robot, or you used any software to boost your own when you are mining, okay? So for those people seeing it like this, what I can tell you people is sorry. I think you can delete your Hamster Kombat and start afresh, because this is another new season, okay? Don't just use your account and start mining on the second season. Okay, if you want to delete your account, it's very simple too. You click on these settings. You click here, settings here, okay? Once you click here, you can see delete account. It is very simple. So I would like you to like this video and share it to your friends. If this video is helpful, or you have any question you ask, you can drop it on the comment section, okay?